Sir, dami questions now about sworn declaration and inventory list. Sino-sino po yung mga required mag-submit? Kasama po ba kami mga VA na 8% tax? Yung inventory list requirement po ni BIR, yan yung total inventory value ng isang business at the end of the year or December 31. So anong business ang required mag-submit nito? Yung mga retail type. Pag may inventory ka, for example, grocery business, food business, since meron po yung stock. So since sa freelancing, services po yung pinoprovide natin sa ating client, wala po tayong physical product, hindi po tayo required mag-submit ng inventory list kay BIR.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.